I will talk about how can you find your payment methods on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here, and just click on more. It's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down, you keep going down here, then you click here on settings, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on payment methods, click on it here, then come to next step here. So you just return to open video here. So then all you have to do, you just switch into open video like this, and here if you will have all saved payments method, you will find it in this list. I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it in this list here. You will find it here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.